In this course, we will learn how to hide a folder in CMD. Open CMD command prompt. Change directory by typing syntax cd desktop. Press enter. After changing directory to desktop, create a folder by typing syntax md folder name. Press enter. Folder is created in desktop directory. Now, we will hide the folder by typing syntax attrib plus h plus r plus s folder name. Press enter to unhide folder. Type same syntax, but just change the plus sign with negative sign.